Ang mga ganap ni Bea Alonzo kasama ang kanyang team sa launching party ng kanyang new collection items na ang Bash Luggage. Narito ating panoorin.
Announcements. They will be available to everybody. They can experience it themselves this October 12 to 13 at the Glorieta Activity Center.
Napakasipag at mabait naman si Miss Bea. Sa gitna ng kabisihan nito, mayroon pa ring bagong collection. Mukhang matibay naman at magaganda ang design ng luggages ni Miss Bea.
What's left now is for us to keep traveling. So thank you so much for being our enablers. These by the front flap. Already.
Todo support din ang mga kaibigan ni Bea at ang kanyang team sa kanyang new business.
Love it. We shot the entire campaign in Korea. Theme of self-discovery, redefining your limits, and the Gateway collection is made for the world.
Just so fun now.
Congratulations, Miss Bea. Bukod kang pinagpala sa itaas.
Hello, Miss Bea. Miss Bea, can I have one shot for Manila Cup? Pag sabi ka ng go, wait for yung cup, then drink. Then smile sa camera.
Kaya hangang-hanga ang netizens kay Miss Bea. Bukod sa kagandahan, mabait ito at simple lang.
Sa camera. Okay. Ready tayo, ready? Ready. 3, 2, 1, and go! There you go.
Mayroon pang paraffol si Miss Bea sa kanyang launching party.
Manalo si Auntie Rona. May bias pala. First winner. Who will it be?
Marami namang dumalo sa launching party sa new collection ni Miss Bea Alonzo.
Gia Sibal.
Gia Subal, are you here? Oh, from Mega. Hey, girl. Okay, is she gonna... Claim it at the registration area. Okay, last one. EJ na siya.
Pagkatapos ng raffle draw, nag-picture taking ang lahat. Napaka-successful ang launching party ni Miss Bea.